In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads to Google Analytics 4. To get started, open Google Analytics and make sure you're already signed in with a Google account that has access to both your Google Ads account and your GA4 property. This is important because if the account doesn't have the right permissions in both platforms, the linking option may not work correctly. Once you're inside Google Analytics, select the GA4 property you want to connect. If you manage multiple properties, take a moment here to choose the correct one, since the link will apply only to the property you select. Next, click Admin in the lower left corner of the screen. In the Property column, look for the Product Links section. Inside that area, click Google Ads Links. This is where you can view existing connections or create a new one. Now click the Link button to begin the setup. After that, click Choose Google Ads Accounts. Google Analytics will show you a list of available Google Ads accounts that your signed-in Google account can access. Review the list carefully, then select the Google Ads account you want to link. Once you've chosen the correct account, click Confirm. At this point, verify that the correct Google Ads account is selected. It's always worth double-checking before moving on, especially if you work with more than one ad account. When everything looks right, click Next. You'll now see the available link settings. Review these settings carefully and configure the options shown on screen according to your needs. If personalized advertising is required for your setup, enable that setting here as well. This part matters because these options affect how data is shared and used between Google Ads and GA4. After configuring the settings, review the selected configuration to make sure everything matches what you want. Then click Next to continue. You'll be taken to the link summary page. This is your final review before the connection is created, so confirm that all details are correct, including the selected Google Ads account and the settings you just applied. If everything looks good, click Submit. Google Analytics will now create the link. Give it a moment to process. Once it's done, return to the Google Ads links list and verify that your Google Ads account appears there. You should also confirm that the link status shows as active. Finally, make sure the Google Ads account is successfully connected to your GA4 property. Once you see it listed as active, the linking process is complete. Thanks for watching.